How to fix public profile not showing on Snapchat. Firstly, you will need to check eligibility for a public profile. Snapchat only allows public profiles if you meet these criteria. Your account should be more than 24 hours old and you should be 13 years or older. And make sure that you have added a Bitmoji. Firstly, enable your public profile. Go to your profile section and at the top you will see public profile option. Click on the public profile option next to my account and then you can access your public profile. Anything you post in public profile will be viewed by everyone. If this option is not available, then follow these processes. Firstly, try to log out and log back in to your Snapchat account. For this, you will need to go to your settings. Click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and click on log out and log back in. Tap and hold on the Snapchat app and click on the eye icon to go to app info. In your app info, scroll down and go to storage. Now clear any cache that may be available for your app. Additionally, also check for any updates that may be available. Go to Play Store and App Store and search for Snapchat. Now if there's an update option available, click on it to update your app. That's all for today. Thank you.